Emily, would you like to try some lemon? Oh. Is that nice? Is it nice? What's the lemon like? Is it nice? Yummy? Is it yummy? Is it good? What's it like? You must like it if you keep eating it.